Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to change your reserve balance on Upwork. So for example, if you want to withdraw your earnings, then you can keep some of the funds in your reserve balance. So first of all, we can go here in account settings. Then after that, here you can go get paid. And then click here withdrawal schedule. Now here you can select minimum payment that will be automatically withdrawn and transferred to your bank account. So here you can see minimum you can withdraw automatically $100, but you can also withdraw your amount less than $100, don't worry. And after that, this one is the reserve balance. So for example, if you have $200 and you want to withdraw that funds, but you want to keep $10, $20 as a reserve balance so that you can purchase new connects and so that you can apply for more jobs. So that's why you can write that amount here: $5, $8, $10, $20, whatever you want. After that, scroll down and click here save changes. So in this way you can easily manage your funds on Upwork and you can use this reserve balance functionality.